Y'all, I literally just...
Hey, why'd you park here?
Park here?
My boyfriend, you're parked next to my boyfriend's car.
It's sad that they don't drop anything.
Oh, look, there's Sky's here.
Yeah, this guy's here. He's a bitch.
I want to Dark Souls his ass.
Why does it not charge immediately? What the fuck? That takes 14 seconds? What the fuck?
That was pretty funny.
Whatever, dude. Oh, Goo Man.
Where are any? I keep running out of
The Goo Man is here. The Goo Man is here.
What the fuck is happening? I haven't seen this guy once. Okay, there he is. Ah, he's so smart at me.
Where did he go?
He's in here. He's above. Oh my god, he's walking around and coming so much.
He's that top frag.
Kill his white ass. Oh, he's jumping around like a motherfucker. Oh,
Kill his white ass.
Or distraction.
Dark Souls. The fucking climactic showdown. We're so bad.
Where is he?
Oh my god.
Oh no, I fell. Oh, I
Shit, I
lived.
need to get up there and
I don't remember that. Oh, what the fuck? Hello, really? Goodbye.
You only remember all the good things, I say.
She's gone. There's someone probably coming over here to get the friend that I killed. There's a guy right here. Big buddy's dead. Who is swimming next to me? What the fuck? Oh shit. What is going on in here?
Like I evolved my
There's only
fucking
another
Evo
person in
Chrome
the water.
from green to purple in in like 2 seconds. What's happening?
Into the water.
Yeah, goop. The goop is fun. I like the goop.
Goop me. Stand next to me. Goop me.
No, I'll take damage.
Oh, more men.
Mormon.
Mormon.
Oh yeah.
I'm about to blast their Mormon asses. Oh fuck, I'm drinking a potion.
So on board
My-
with that.
I fucking dropped my weapon, and now I'm dead.
Mormons love having their asses blasted.
Oh, I'm so stupid.
I know.
I'm
would
so
say it's
bad
okay,
at
but it's
blasting
like-
ass.
Oh shit, she's woman Fortnite all night sex pussy. Coming in the fourth? Okay, slide.
I can throw it back just fine, but I'm terrible at blasting ass. They're... That doesn't look like
Oh,
an
this
English.
building is like literally on fire. Okay. Ah, hello, woman. Jess, I'm being fought by women.
There's a lot of men and women out here.
Yeah, I'm like kind of scared. Hello?
There's
Are you
someone.
horny? Okay.
Yeah, I saw the horny bitch. Oh, he's dead.
Yeah, just kind of spectating me. Why was he doing that? Truth bomb.
Oh, fat ass! Let's
Where?
kill fat ass.
Badass? What do you mean? Oh, it's her! Let's kill her ass!
She's trying to come on me? She
Yeah.
came on me!
She came on you. Oh. We both have this sloppy gun.
Yeah. No!
Hello, Fortnite. Do you love sex? Because I quite rather do. Goodbye.
Goodbye. I got a
don't.
purple gun now.
Oh, purple gun. More like purple blonde. Because you're blunderbuss on that bussy.
Purple blunt.
Purple
Am I right?
blonde. Purple
Weed.
Purple weed. Purple weed. The weed that is purple. Purple kush, kush, kush. Purple kush. Kush, purple kush. Purple. Man cake. More like man cock. The way I'm bouncing up and down on him.
Me.
Wowie. Sometimes the thing I say is impress me.
I like.
talk.
They made the patch up not cost 150 anymore.
Look at this. I'm
Because
reloading. That actually stopped you from talking, and you turned to me.
I'm gonna win.
She's gonna win at Fortnite, sack style.
You can't do that. Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
Actually.
No, this bitch is literally having my cock and fucking balls.
Nope, get down. Fucking ass.
Oh,
This bitch is literally having my cock and sucking my balls.
Yeah. He went.
I hear them yutting.
He doesn't know where I am. Guys, I'm really scared. I'm running on the roller coaster.
I'm coming to Jess. I'm gonna stick together.
Oh my god, I'm literally an escape
Why are you
artist.
coming on me?
Hello?
Where am I going?
Up your ass.
And around the corner.
And around the
Oh!
corner. Where am I going? Wait, didn't you
Remember
just
when
say that?
everyone on the playground would just point and laugh at your ass when they'd say that?
I love that sentence so much. Remember when everyone at the playground?
Yeah. I was shooting a blade of grass! Oh my god. Alright.
What?
Come with me. Never mind.
I felt the bullets.
Shooting
Oh,
at
there's
us.
a dude on the real.
On the reel.
On the reel.
Oh, there he goes.
He's over.
Larry goes. You.
Am I flubbing that bad?
Yes.
This isn't.
Don't park next to my boyfriend. Are you crazy?
Are you insecure?
Are you crazy? I know you not just say that to me. What is your problem? Get out of my parking spot. You're parked next to my boyfriend.
Are you okay?
Are you?